Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking to sell your own online courses in 2025, Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to get started. No coding or any complicated setup needed here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it actually on Gumroad step by step. The first thing that you need to do is to simply come on gumroad.com and sign up for a free account. Now, once you are in your dashboard, it will look something like this. You need to hover over to the left hand section and click on products. In your products, you will see the option of new product. So click on new product. Over here you will see a bunch of different things that you can add here, like digital product, course or tutorial, ebook, etc. So you can either select it as a digital product or course or a tutorial. Over here you need to just provide your course a name. So after selecting it is as course or tutorial, you need to give it a name, then scroll down and give it a pricing. Then click on the customize option or the next option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here is the best part. After giving your name a course, you need to give the description, and you can also view the preview in the left hand section. Here you can set the URL for your link. So here you can give it a custom link, and if you have a custom domain, you can also provide it here. Now you need to upload your course content. So click on the upload images and videos, and you need to upload your content here. Then you can just include bonus materials like worksheets, templates as well, and after that you can write a clear description about it. Once you are done with it, you need to just press the save and continue button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this is how you can create your online courses with the help of Gumroad. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.